Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we will be installing a 4,500 pound Warren winch on a Yamaha Viking side-by-side. The gentleman has had the winch and plate for 4 years and haven't put it on. He brought it to my shop and asked me if I could put it on. The plate is not the right one. We're going to have to adapt something, but it's pretty interesting how we do, and it did come out pretty good. All right, let's dive down here and get some dimensions. So we're going to come up about 3 1/4, 3 1/2 right here. So the center to center of these holes and I'm gonna be stupid by saying this, I know, but I don't know if everybody knows this. If you measure from this edge of a hole to this edge of a hole, which is 4 3/4, I don't know if y'all can see this or not. I hope you can. If you measure from this edge to this edge, or the same edges here on this side of this one, this side of this one, and it shows 4 3/4, that's the center of your holes. I don't know if everybody knows that or not, though. When we slide this to the center, there you go, you got 4 3/4. So we got 4 3/4 to the center of this. What do we have here? So I'm gonna hold the edge of the, I'm probably gonna catch center on that one. So I'm looking about 5 7/8. So we're going to have to transfer holes. I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to clean this up. He never got a chance to put it on. I think somebody else had a go of it. We're going to clean it up. I'm going to have to weld some stuff on this to strengthen it up. I think I'm going to cover these holes up that they tried to drill out. But for right now, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to dismantle this. A lot of this stuff, this thing's got to get out the door pretty quick. This video is going to be condensed somewhat, set into fast motion. Most of it's going to be boring stuff anyhow. So let's get to it. first part of the video, you saw we made these, put them in the lathe, and we cut them out, and then we cut these out. This thing is going to be very hard to get in there. And I'm thinking we're almost going to have to put it in with all the bolts and everything in it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to clean these up and get these bolted in, and we'll see how this is going to work. Finished product here. The light out of your eye. You can get a look at the mount and what I had to do. If you look right here, that's where the front bolts are at. So you can see how much room I had to move this forward, and that's the back ones. I have seen other mounts where they actually bolt up to this. That's not that thick. I don't think I'd want my winch tied into this. You know, me just saying. So it's tied into the frame down there. It's good to go. So that's the end of it. It works good. It's wired good. That's the wiring right there. Goes up in there. It came out really sweet. Here's your remote socket, and this is where we put the other switch, and it works with the key. So no wearing the battery down. So that's it, guys. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I think that's a proper job, and it doesn't stick out. And I've always been pretty much, if you can go 90 degrees with a fair lead roller, pretty much 90 degrees, you're good. You're in good shape. So nice and compact in there. I think it's a good job. All right.